little video. So happy pancake day, everyone. Are we gonna try and make a pancake? I'm actually not sure how to make pancakes. So let's give it a go. Let's try.
Yeah.
I think we have all the ingredients here. It's so sunny. Let's give it a try.
Yeah.
All of it. Okay, that's the flour.
Yeah.
Is it all in?
Yep.
No.
Can we mix it a little bit?
Okay, you can mix that a little bit. You got your Minnie Mouse blender?
Like I have I'm saying it. Go get the Wii.
Yeah.
Mine's getting the Wii.
Okay, so we've added a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, some salt and sugar.
When is the eggy time?
I thought you had to add oil at some point too. We're watching a little YouTube video while we're making it so we know what to do.
Do you just mind that?
Doing now?
Eggies.
Eggies. Now pour the egg in.
Look for egg good.
That's it. Girl.
Eggies.
Okay, moment of truth. Is this gonna work? It kind of looks like a pancake. Don't ask me how I got it in a circle. But this is what our mix turned out like. Looks good. Now I have used almond milk, not real milk, so I hope that doesn't change anything. Gonna make some coffee. Looking like a pancake, you guys. The last one is huge. I've made a huge daddy one for the last one. Pancakes? How did they turn out?
Good.
Yummy! Are you gonna have Nutella and honey on yours? Happy Pancake Day!
Thank you, Bye.
Say Happy Pancake Day.
I did.
Off for the school run. Ariana, are you taking your scooter? Oh, I love your dinosaur helmet.
Honk honk.
It's such a nice day. We've had such a busy day. We did pancakes,
Yeah.
we did makeup, we played in the salon. Now school trip time and lots of laundry. School trip is done. It's a lot colder than I thought, so I'm probably not gonna wear like my flip-flops to pick Ariana up from school. So I'm just making some lunch. I am making eggies with avocado and toast. Yeah, so pretty productive day so far. I'm actually watching the assassination of Gianni Versace. So good. Darren Criss is so good. But I think it's funny how season 1 was the O.J. Simpson one. I didn't know that. I didn't know it was the same. But now I'm kind of tempted to go back and watch the O.J. Simpson one because I loved that and I'm kind of in that zone. So I might go back and watch it. I'm not sure. So I did my makeup. My makeup is my new Kylie makeup. So this is Posy K. Cheeks is Kitten Baby. Bronzer is Tequila Tan. And highlight is Dreaming of Diamonds. I did like a little Insta story on it as well. I've just got like some coated on my eyes there too to follow through. I love this lipstick. I feel like actual flour. That's how I'm feeling about that. Anyway, my eggs are probably ready. So for lunch, I've just made toast and I've spread avocado, and now I'm gonna cut my eggs and put them on top. That is it, all done. I put some mayonnaise on top and some black pepper and salt. Yum yum. Okay, so I'm gonna go and eat this and watch the rest of my Versace show. This is it. Assassination of Versace. I'm on episode 5. So I have 4 more, so I'm gonna try and finish it today. Okay guys, so that was like a 5-hour break in between trying to do a vlog. Pretty much when I pick Ariana up from school, like we just come home play, eat food, then I make her dinner, bath time, and it all tends to go pretty fast, and I don't really have any time to spare, so that's Ariana all asleep in her little bed, and I have 3 more episodes left of Assassination of Gianna Versace, so I'm watching that, and pizza is in the oven. I'm so excited. It's a night in alone. Stuart is at his game night, so I get to chill out, eat my pizza, watch my show. Thank you guys for watching my little vlog today. I really want to improve on them and get much better. It's something that I'm not really used to. It's just finding the time and remembering to document stuff. Update. This is my makeup still on from before. Just a little bit off on my chin. That tends to be where I like lose coverage. But I only reapplied my lipstick once today. Such good coverage. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully the next one will be more consistent.